I've changed the unit around a little bit. Also, big apologies, I haven't been on YouTube for a while. And by a while I mean 2 weeks. And that is because basically I had a random guy show up at my front door. Yeah, he just knocked on casually and thought it was okay to do that and asked me how to start a vending machine business. That will never be okay. I tried to be as nice as I possibly could, but I'm always going to have my backup when it comes to me, my privacy, and my family. I'm going to put it out here right now. If you ever show up at my front door, I won't be nice. That was the one and only time I'm ever going to be nice about it. Yeah, police will be called, and I won't be nice about it. If you see me in public, go for it. Let on to me. I mean, don't look like you're about to rob me. There's a few people that like stare me out, and then let on to me. Don't do that. Maybe just be like, "Hi, Meg." You know what I mean? But yeah, it's never okay to turn up at my house. Never, ever, ever, ever okay. I mean, I appreciate the thought that went into it. I mean, like, I kind of felt bad after it, but at the same time, I have to look out for me and my family's safety. And I don't know you, and I don't know what your intentions are. So as soon as you turn up at my house, that's it. That's when Nice Meg goes out the window, and the police will be called. So yeah, let's just leave that there in the past. Just don't do it, guys. You can see me in public, you can talk to me in public. I will have the best conversation with you if you see me in public. Just not at my house, bro. That's just crossing a line. Anyway, so today we are collecting cash. I haven't actually decided what machines we're doing today, so I need to do that first. But the space in here now is ridiculous, so let me show you. Here we have, obviously we have the light box. We have 3 vending machines, coffee, drinks. We have my storage boxes here, and if we go around here, we have the maintenance section and the bin. All the drinks that you could possibly ever wish for in your life. More drinks. Coffee section is over here, and then we've got some more drinks here. Don't know if you can tell, I sell more drinks than anything else. And then this is a new part. So obviously the coffee machine and the snack machine used to be here, but now we got crisp, pure crisp, and snacks. This shelf is looking a bit worse for wear. Don't know if you can tell, but that bottom one is a little bit slanted that way. This one just looks like it's slanted that way a little bit. This one is also slanted that way, but it's not as bad. So I'm thinking of even getting some metal shelves like this. But again, that one looks like it's seen better days as well. But I'm not going to lie to you, my best shelves have always been these wooden ones. That one looks like it's dipped a little bit, but that is probably because I'm testing it a little bit too much. But I've had these for years and they've been fine. Very aware, I'm doing a lot of yapping right now. But yeah, so I'm going to fill the boxes up, and we're going to head to the first location. And it's nice to say that I don't actually have to go to Best Ways today. I don't think. Because obviously we started ordering in bulk. Great. That is one thing I don't have to do, which I'm super excited about. So yeah, I'm going to get started filling the boxes up. Let's go. Okay guys, we have finished up with the boxes. Still nice and tidy in here. Just need to sort that out over there. But yeah, I'm gonna shoot now. I think it's like 8:30, maybe 9. I don't know. Let me check. 8:30, dead on. My goodness, that was a good guess. Right, let's go. Okay guys, I'm just about to head to the first location. I'm not actually sure how many sites we've got today. It doesn't feel like a lot, but at the same time it also feels like a lot. I'll tally it up whilst I'm driving to the first one, and then I'll let you know. So I'm at the first site, and I think it's like 5 locations today, maybe like 8, 9 machines, I'm not sure. But yeah, at the first site it's a battery, it's got a coffee machine and a combi, so let's go. Basically, the combi keeps getting jammed because I keep telling them not to put £2 coins in it, and it's got a sign on it saying no £2 coins, but they keep putting £2 coins in it. So coin slot keeps getting jammed. Basically, it works when there's no, like with pound coins, 50p's, 20p's, 10p's, all the p's. As soon as you put £2 coin in it jams. So there's a sign on the machine. I told management to put a sign on the machine saying no £2 coins because it'll jam the machine. There's a sign on. They still are putting £2 coins in the machine, so it's jamming the machine up. So I just had to unjam it again, and then a guy just came up to me and was like, "Oh, when are you gonna sort that machine out? It keeps jamming." And I said, "I've just sorted out again." I said the reason it keeps jamming is because people keep putting £2 coins in the machine, and there's a sign on it saying not to put £2 coins in. This is how I was speaking to him, because he was being patronising to me, so I'd be patronising back. I said, yeah, people keep putting £2 coins in it, and it has a sign on saying not to put £2 coins in it. I said it's working perfectly fine when you don't put £2 coins in it. So, and then he was like, oh right, okay. Like, just read the sign. Blatantly says don't put £2 coins in it. As soon as you put a £2 coin in it, it jams the machine. Like, it just annoys me. Like, don't fucking speak to me like I'm an idiot, because you'll just get spoke back to like an idiot. Just like, does my head in. Anyway, I unjammed it. I tested it. It is working fine. Just so there was no cash to collect in that machine. But yeah, let's go. Okay guys, just got to the next place. This is a transport place, but it doesn't take cash, so won't be collecting any cash from this place, unfortunately. Alright, didn't film anything like the last one because they were shaking the fuck out of the machine, so I had to sort that out. Now I'm at an office building, and yeah, got cash in this one. Let's go. So I don't know if you saw in that video, but I left some snacks on the table. That was just basically like a kind gesture for them guys, because they had an issue with the machine a couple of weeks ago, maybe a week ago. Basically the machine just kept turning itself off and turning itself back on again when it was taking payments. So I mean, I refunded everyone, which was fine, but where's my key? So yeah, I just did that, and everyone's super nice in there. Yeah, dead friendly bunch. Always asking me how I am, things like that. And I never have an issue with them shaking the machine. So yeah, I thought I'd just, like, you know, pay back, because they do spend a lot, and it's only a small site. They do actually, that machine does take a lot for the size of that site. So yeah, thought I'd just, you know, be kind. So let's go. Next one is a factory. 2 machines in this one that we're going to next. It does take a lot of cash, but I can't remember the last time I collected it. Maybe I think it was like 2 weeks ago, so maybe not too much. Let's go. Okay, just got to the last place. This is like a warehouse factory sort of thing. I'm gonna run in for a wee first because I'm dying, and I'm gonna go in and collect the cash.
About posh girls sharing a flat, the sort of life she'd lived herself in London.
Okay, guys, it is the next day. We are doing like 7 locations today. I don't know. Pretty sure they all take cash. I'm just in the unit. I'm about to fill up the boxes, and then we are gonna go on the road and get started. So let's go. Ow! Ow! Let me in! Let me in! Ah, mother! Just God! Arguing with animate objects. Okay, everything's in the van, much to my back being broke. But I'm going to the first location. It is a storage place. I will see you there. Goodbye. Okay guys, just got to the first location. It has a combi in here and a can machine, but I think I'm going to get rid of the can machine. Doesn't have a card reader on it. Bit of a pain in the ass, not going to lie. I don't really like the can machines. They're just a bit of a faff, to be honest. So let's go.
Protein drinks in there, can you?
Don't sell them, mate. They don't sell anywhere, no.
Nah, little, innit?
Yeah.
50 quid in little tomato steaks and chicken and all them bottles.
Well, we could get them, but they just don't sell, so. Change my mind. I think I might keep the can machine. It's doing all right. Next site is a transport place. Let's go. So I think the coffee machine actually had the most money because I don't think I've took it out for a while. So yeah, doesn't have a card in it as well, so it just takes coins. Okay, next place I'm going to is a gas place. Let's go. Next location, it is an office building. Let's freaking go. Okay guys, oh my god, that spot is getting bigger. That last place, I forgot to film for it, but that was an office building. It was the same company as the office building before it. We can go home and count the cash, so let's go. Okay guys, I'm back at home now. I've got the cash and I'm gonna count it. Let me show you. Okay, here's the cash. I reckon there's about 500 there. I'm gonna count it all. Okay, so here's all the money and there's some change in there. So altogether we have £450 in the bags and about £40 and some change in the change bag. So yeah, we hit round about 500. So I actually got it right this time. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. Oops. If you've enjoyed this video, please give a like, comment and subscribe if you are new, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.